It. We slice it with the Sawzall blade. And now we're pounding it off there. 42 TPI, fine for metal.
Here, right? Don't cut the control arm accidentally. We don't cut it out of there.
Whoa, you did it! Whoa, that was your idea? So we needed all these random tools. Look, that's to cut off. That was to cut off that bad boy down there.
We had the right cup, we would be able to just press it out.
Oh, dang. Backyard mechanic style. We're literally in the backyard. Kind of a big backyard, but a backyard.
So we need some sort of...
We need what now?
We gotta be able to brace this against here. So we want two...
Piece of metal?